The North Pole, a place that has long captured the imagination of adventurers and dreamers alike. A place of legend, adventure, and unparalleled natural beauty. The North Pole is not just a point on a map, it is a symbol of the ultimate frontier, a realm where the natural world reigns supreme and human presence is but a fleeting whisper. It's a region that has captivated explorers and scientists for centuries. From the early expeditions of the 19th century to modern-day scientific missions, the North Pole has been a beacon for those seeking to push the boundaries of human knowledge and endurance. Unlike the South Pole, which sits on a continental landmass, the North Pole is located in the middle of the Arctic Ocean, its icy expanse constantly shifting with the ocean currents. This dynamic environment presents unique challenges and opportunities for those who venture into its frozen heart. The North Pole marks the northernmost point on our planet. It is a place where the Earth's axis of rotation meets its surface, a point of convergence for all lines of longitude. It's where all lines of longitude converge and from where every direction is south. This unique geographical feature has made the North Pole a point of fascination for cartographers and navigators throughout history. It's a place of extremes, where the sun doesn't set for 6 months during summer and doesn't rise for 6 months during winter. These polar days and nights create a stark and otherworldly environment, one that tests the limits of human endurance and adaptability. The North Pole is not just a geographical location, it's a symbol of human curiosity and our desire to explore the unknown. It represents the spirit of adventure and the quest for knowledge that drives us to venture into the most remote and inhospitable places on Earth. It represents the challenges and triumphs of venturing into the most extreme environments on Earth. The harsh conditions of the Arctic test the limits of human endurance, but they also offer unparalleled opportunities for discovery and innovation. This essay will delve into the mysteries of the North Pole, exploring its unique climate, diverse wildlife, and the breathtaking landscapes that define this icy wilderness. We will journey through the history of exploration, the scientific discoveries that have been made, and the ongoing efforts to understand and protect this fragile and vital part of our planet. From the majestic polar bears that roam its icy expanses to the microscopic organisms that thrive in its frigid waters, the North Pole is a place of wonder and discovery. Join us as we embark on a journey to the top of the world to uncover the secrets of our magnetic north. The North Pole experiences a polar climate characterized by long, cold winters that seem to stretch endlessly. These winters are harsh and unforgiving, with temperatures that can drop to bone-chilling lows, and short, cool summers. The region is covered in ice for most of the year, creating a stark, white landscape that is both beautiful and desolate. The average winter temperature hovers around -40 degrees Fahrenheit or -40 degrees Celsius, but temperatures can plummet even lower. In some instances, the mercury can drop to a staggering -50 degrees Fahrenheit or even lower, making it one of the coldest places on Earth. Summers at the North Pole are brief and cool. The sun remains above the horizon for months, creating a phenomenon known as the midnight sun. This continuous daylight can be disorienting, as the sun never sets, casting a perpetual glow over the icy landscape. However, even during these summer months, temperatures rarely rise above freezing, averaging around 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius. The ice begins to melt slightly, but the cold persists, and the landscape remains largely frozen. The North Pole is considered a polar desert because of its low precipitation levels. Despite the vast expanses of ice, the region receives very little actual snowfall, making it one of the driest places on Earth. Despite being covered in ice, the region receives very little snowfall. The snow that does fall is often blown away by the strong winds, leaving the ice exposed and creating a barren, windswept landscape. The air is dry, and strong winds can whip up snow, creating the illusion of snowfall. These winds can be fierce, shaping the snow into drifts and sculpting the ice into intricate patterns. The combination of low temperatures, dry air, and strong winds makes the North Pole a unique and challenging environment, one that is both awe-inspiring and formidable. The North Pole is home to some of the most spectacular atmospheric phenomena on Earth. The Aurora Borealis, or northern lights, dance across the sky in vibrant hues of green, blue, and red. These dazzling light shows are caused by charged particles from the sun colliding with Earth's atmosphere. Another unique atmospheric phenomenon at the North Pole is polar twilight. During the transition periods between summer and winter, the sun remains just below the horizon, creating a prolonged period of twilight. This soft, ethereal light bathes the landscape in a surreal glow. The combination of extreme cold, dry air, and unique atmospheric conditions creates a truly otherworldly experience at the North Pole. Section 4. Life in the cold. Adapting to Arctic extremes. Despite the harsh conditions, the Arctic region is teeming with life, both above and below the ice. Polar bears, the apex predators of the Arctic, roam the ice floes, hunting seals. These magnificent creatures have evolved thick fur and a layer of blubber to survive the extreme cold. Walruses, with their massive tusks and blubbery bodies, are another iconic species of the Arctic. They congregate in large herds on ice floes and coastlines. Seals, the primary prey of polar bears, are also found throughout the Arctic, their streamlined bodies perfectly adapted for swimming in icy waters. Section 5. Giants of the North. Whales beneath the ice. The Arctic, a vast and frozen wilderness, is a place of stark beauty and extreme conditions. Beneath its icy surface lies a hidden world teeming with life, where some of the ocean's most fascinating giants make their home. The Arctic Ocean is home to a variety of whale species, including narwhals, beluga whales, and bowhead whales. These majestic creatures have evolved to thrive in one of the harshest environments on Earth, where temperatures can plummet to well below freezing and the ice can stretch for miles. Narwhals are known for their long spiral tusks, which are actually elongated teeth. These tusks can grow up to 10 feet long and are thought to play a role in mating rituals and social interactions. Narwhals are often called the unicorns of the sea due to their unique appearance. Beluga whales, also known as sea canaries, are highly social animals that communicate using a wide range of clicks, whistles, and calls. Their vocalizations are so varied and complex that they are considered one of the most vocal of all whale species. Belugas are also known for their distinctive white color and their ability to move their heads in all directions, thanks to their unfused neck vertebrae. Bowhead whales are the longest living mammals on Earth, with lifespans of over 200 years. These gentle giants can grow up to 60 feet long and weigh up to 100 tons. They have the thickest blubber of any whale species, which helps them survive in the frigid Arctic waters. These massive whales have adapted to survive in the icy waters of the Arctic, using their powerful heads to break through ice up to 2 feet thick to breathe. This remarkable adaptation allows them to live in areas where other whale species cannot venture. The presence of these magnificent creatures highlights the biodiversity of the Arctic ecosystem. Despite the harsh conditions, the Arctic Ocean supports a rich and diverse array of marine life, from tiny plankton to the massive whales that roam its icy waters. The survival of these whales is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life in one of the most extreme environments on our planet.